Hello, I am Priya Sharga, educator at Bodakdev School. Welcome all of you to the Exotic Bakery Workshop. It is well said by Christina Rossetti. Love came down at Christmas, love all lovely, love divine. Love was born on Christmas, stars and angels gave the sign. Bells, jingle all the way. Santa Claus is coming around riding on the sledge. Now, you all might be wondering, children are not here, then why am I saying these words? As we all know that Christmas is around the corner, and this is the time when we share special moments with our family. So, this winter is the perfect time to prepare something very special for our loved ones. And whenever we think of Christmas, so the one thing or the one dish which comes to our mind is yummy cupcakes or chocolate cakes. As we all know that homemade food items are far more better than the outside food as it is tasty, it is pocket friendly, free from allergy, and most important, it's healthier and it is made with lots and lots and lots of love and special ingredients. So, not taking much of your time, with immense pleasure, I would like to invite the leading home bakers of the city, Miss Anisha Malpani and Miss Nimisha Gupta, who left their culinary jobs to pursue their passion for bakery. Their venture, Indulge In, specializes in healthy bakery products. Ma'am, we are delighted to have you here and can't wait for this session to begin. All
Thank you.
to you, ma'am.
Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
ma'am. Thank you very much.
Most
Myself,
welcome.
Nimisha. As you all are mothers, I'm also a mother. And I had a career of, into education industry for almost 15 years. And then after becoming a mother, I had to take a break. And that was the time when I thought I should do something for my kids. And I'm sure you all have would also done lot of things in the special lockdown. We have tried a lot of recipes. We have done a lot of things. And I think that's what I did. Me and Ani thought, we both are moms, so let's try something. Let's make healthy. Let's, try some things. And I think you all were here for the same thing. You want to make something healthy for your kids. You want to try something new for the kids. So I think we'll start quickly. We have a lot of recipes to start with. So the first thing which we are going to make is the ragi cupcakes. Now, as you all know very well, that ragi is a very healthy thing. Now, ragi, when they combined with chocolate, I think that's the way we can make them eat. Otherwise, ragi kids will not like to have. But yes, making a ragi cupcake with chocolate, with some decoration, some things, we can make them eat. There are some ready cupcakes which you could see over here. They are lying over here. So these are some cupcakes which we have already made. So we would just start with the recipe first. Uh, I think you all would have got the recipe notes also with you. So when we start with the ragi chocolate cupcakes, so first ingredient which we having would be the wheat flour. So we have taken 3/4 cup of flour. We have taken ragi flour for almost half cup. We have the jaggery powder. We are not using the sugar or anything. We are using the jaggery powder. So the powder jaggery, we have baking soda, we have baking powder, we have cocoa powder with us, salt, milk, and vinegar, lemon juice, vanilla essence, and choco chips. Okay, so as I have written in the recipe, you could see we need to mix the things. So starting with the wheat flour, we need to take the wheat flour. I have taken measured 3/4 cup wheat flour. We are going to add half cup of ragi flour to it. I have taken slightly more of the wheat flour. You want, you can change the consistency. You can take more of wheat flour and less of ragi flour. More of ragi and less of wheat flour. But why I have done this? Because generally more of ragi will make it slightly not that tastier version. So we can put wheat flour, which is also healthier version. We need to add into it the baking powder. So as we have written, we need to have baking powder, which is half teaspoon. cocoa powder, which we have taken almost 2 tablespoons. A pinch of salt, which is almost 1/4. So these are the dry ingredients which we need to mix, and we can keep it on one side. The second thing which I'm going to do is I'll just mix the jaggery powder. Can we preheat the oven? I'm just preheating my oven so that my oven is ready by the time I'm ready with the mix. So I'm just putting the oven on 180 degrees for 10 minutes to just get preheated. I have taken a jaggery powder and I have taken oil for it. So we need almost 1/3 cup of oil. So I'm just mixing the jaggery powder and oil. Now my one dry mix is ready, my jaggery powder and milk is ready, and this is the main bowl in which I'm just going to take milk. I just done it slightly warm, lukewarm type. So slight warm milk, which is almost 1 cup of milk. In this milk, I'm going to add vinegar, which is 1 teaspoon. So I think this, no. This is my 1 teaspoon vinegar, so which I have added to milk. I just like to show you, once I add vinegar to milk, the milk will slightly curdle. Slightly. It will have a kind of paneer kind of consistency. Not complete paneer, but a semi-paneer kind of consistency. So once you get that kind of consistency in your milk, you need to add baking soda. And the baking soda is 1/4. As soon as I'll add baking soda to this mix, it will start, as the soda, it rises up, the entire milk will start rising up. And this is the correct time when we mix all the ingredients. So I'll just ask some mom to come and join me. So anybody would like to come and join me? Yeah, please come. Okay, so all the 3 mixes are ready. You just mix one by one. Yeah, take this, no problem. Add dry into it. No. Dry, just go slow. Mix this into it. Yeah, keep mixing. This first. This will help. Yeah, yeah, sure. One cup. Just adding little more milk to it, slightly. We're just adding half teaspoon of vanilla essence to it and 3 tablespoon of choco chips to the entire batter. Mix. Think any lumps are there? Because of the jaggery also. The powdered jaggery is also kind of, lumps kind of thing. And now I'm adding 3 tablespoon of choco chips to it. Fine, perfectly fine. Now I have this kind of, cupcake liners which are bake and serve. I can directly keep them in oven. So you can take this or you can take the normal cupcake liners which we have. So anything you can take and just mix the entire mix which is ready with us. We just need to pour it into it. With this, with the help of this will do? The help of this. So we can pour like this, okay? I need to fill almost 3/4 of it. Want a bigger spoon? Take this. Slight more, yes. Actually, as it is ragi and wheat base, it will not, rise up much. Generally, if you make something with the maida, we just need to fill 3/4 or half to 3/4. But when we talk about, a wheat and a ragi kind of a cupcake, you need to fill up it more because it's not going to rise much. Slight more. Yeah. So, preheating is done. We are also ready with the cupcakes. ठीक है, leave it, leave it. It's okay. ये ले ले. We can just top all of them with little bit of, choco chips if you want. Now, the healthier version for it would be obviously giving this directly to the kids when they are ready. But if you want, we can add also chocolate toppings on it. So, ganache, and we'll show you. If your kids like this, is the best version, or we can add some toppings to it. So, thank you, ma'am. So now cupcakes will go in the oven. We have taken an OTG, and we are going to keep them in 180 degree for almost 20 minutes to bake. So they would be there in the oven, and I think that will be the right time we start with the other one. Okay. By the time the cupcakes are getting ready in the oven, I just show you how to make a chocolate truffle. Chocolate truffle is basically, something, a chocolate ganache, we can say, a chocolate which we can put on anything. You can put on any desserts, you can put it on, you can top it on the ice creams, you can top it anywhere you want. One for that is the chocolate compounds. In the market, we use a vanilla chocolate compound. There is a chocolate compounds available at the Amul stores also. So you can get this kind of compounds. You get it off a Mode. There are a lot of companies available. You can take off any company a chocolate compound. This is a dark chocolate compound of annual company. You'll get a Mode compound at any Jain dairy. Or if you don't get anything, you can easily get an Amul compound from any Amul parlor. So this is a chocolate compound. This is the milk compound. So there are three varieties in chocolate. One is dark, one is milk, and one is white. So this one was the dark. This is the milk one. So what I have done, I have taken one entire slab, 500 gram slab of chocolate compound. I have chopped it in the bowl and kept it ready. So I'll just keep it in the oven, get it melted. Now how we make it, or specifically how we melt a chocolate. A chocolate is something which is very delicate, so we have to be careful in working with chocolate. Chocolates are like, if you will heat it more, it can get burned. If you will heat it less, it will not probably get melted. So a right time, right consistency, and right way is very, very important. Now, weather is also very important. When we talk about summers, this chocolate compounds almost melted when you remove from the packets. And in the winters, they are very hard. So weather would also be important, but generally a chocolate would take around 40 seconds to 1 minute for getting melted. But that 1 minute or maybe the 40 seconds cannot be at one go. So we have to, as I told you, work with chocolate very softly. So what we do, we keep chocolate for 20 seconds in the microwave. We need to stir it and then again keep it back for 20 seconds more. In the winter, we would need to keep it third time for the 20 seconds. So after every 20 seconds, we need to stir it. And that will be the way the chocolate would get melted. Now for making the chocolate truffle, we have taken, like in this measurements I have showed you, 250 grams dark or milk compound, whatever you want. And you need to add Amul fresh cream, 125 grams. So I have taken the entire slab, which is 500 grams. So I would add 250 grams of Amul fresh cream. So this Amul fresh cream entirely add. You can make less ganache for you. And then finally, we need to add some Amul butter to it. The chocolate melty will take time. It will take its own. And the winter is also a problem. A lot of time in summers, you don't even need to melt more than 20 seconds. That's enough because it's almost melted. See, you could see the chocolate. Chocolate is still having the lumps into it. So we have melted twice, but still it is having the lumps and pieces into it. So we need to melt it, and it should be a smooth texture with no lumps left into it. Now making a chocolate truffle is a very simple option, and getting the compounds are also not tough. The only thing is that you follow the measurement so you get a right consistency. In the same measurements, if you add little more of the Amul fresh cream, that will become a chocolate sauce for you. Okay, and this particular consistency which I have shown you, that you can use for decoration with a piping bag. If in case you don't have a piping bag, any milk bag is also okay. Empty milk bag you can use. You can pour the truffle into it and you can use for decoration. So this consistency is thick consistency for decoration. Adding little more cream to it, it becomes a chocolate sauce for you. So if in case sometimes you are not having Hershey's syrup with you, you can make it yourself, and vice versa. If in case your cupcakes are ready, you don't have truffle with you, add Hershey's syrup to your cupcake and it's ready for the kids. So I don't think every time making truffle is required. Sometimes we can do something like this, or rather for a party or something like this, we can make ourselves and decorate for the kids. So they really like to love. Even what we can do, we can make a truffle in the piping bags. We give it to the kids and we tell them, make your own cupcakes. So they decorate themselves, they do piping, they put some sprinklers, they have a lot of excitement that I decorated my cupcakes. So small activity, and they love to do that. So that can also be an option. So now the chocolate has melted very nicely. You could see probably, and now we can add the Amul fresh cream to it. And as I have taken 500 grams of chocolate, I am going to add the entire fresh cream. And just adding some butter to it, maybe one or 2 spoon. 2 spoon for, as I have taken more of the truffle. If you are doing less. At this point, if you find there are some lumps into it because of the cream, the cream was not that, like it was at room temperature, I can see some lumps. So probably you can put it for 30 seconds in the oven so that it gets smooth texture ready. Okay. Now once the ganache is ready, we need to let it set for some time because it will be very liquid at this stage. So need to keep it at the room temperature for maybe 15-20 minutes, and if you are in hurry, you can keep it in the fridge for almost 5 minutes. So one, and then we can use it. So what we will do, once our truffle is ready, we're just going to keep it aside, and we'll do, and the cupcakes are also baking right now. So one side cupcakes are going on, one side the topping is ready, but these two things need to set. So by that time, we'll start with our next recipe. Okay. So the next thing which we are going to do is the dry fruit plum cake. Now, as you know, the Christmas is around the corner, so that is something which we can try. This is the dry cake, and which is a plum cake, healthier version, made for completely healthy things. So Let's start. So over to you, Anisha. We can start if you're
Yeah,
audible.
now it's fine. Yeah.
Yeah.
So hi all. I'm going to take you through the process of the plum cakes. Sorry, just one second. Yeah, fine. Okay. So now since this Christmas, as she said, so plum cakes are the in thing. Now there are two things to it. One, it is full of dry fruits, which I'm sure kids don't like. But there's two ways to it. Matlab, ek, ki if you want your kids to eat dry fruits, but they don't eat it in some other form, put it in a cake, show them, oh, it is a cake, and they eat it. Or if you don't want to put so many dry fruits, like I'm going to mix all the dry fruits, then you can put whichever dry fruit your kid likes. Matlab, he likes almonds, he doesn't like the other things, put only almonds, put only raisins, put only dates. Don't put anything, just put cherries. Cherries are almost all kids like. So that combination you can decide for yourself at your home. But right now, in this particular recipe, I have mixed all the dry fruits. So I'm going to start. First thing which I have done is I've taken the dry fruits according to the measurement here. So this is half cup of all mixed dry fruits. I've taken cranberries, I've taken raisins, kaju, badam, everything. And I'm going to soak it in juice. It is better if you soak it 2 or 3 hours prior, but since we don't have time right now, we can do it instantly. But the more the dry fruits soak in the orange juice, the better taste they will give. So if you know you're going to prepare something tomorrow, tonight just soak it and keep it in the fridge, and then use that mixture the next day. I need to cut this. So this is half cup dry fruits. I have also taken cherries and tutti frutti. Again, half cup, it's ready. Whole wheat flour. This is going to be a mix of wheat and maida. So this is whole wheat flour, which we have taken more of whole wheat flour and a little less of maida. Brown sugar. Same thing you can substitute with normal sugar, white sugar, brown sugar, or you can take jaggery powder. If you take jaggery powder, it will be little more than the measurement written here. Maybe 2 or 3 spoons more because that jaggery is a little less sweet. So same, suppose this is like 3/4 cup, maybe you add 2-3 spoons more of jaggery powder. So this is one thing. And butter, you can take butter or you can take oil, which is half cup. And baking soda, baking powder as usual, vanilla essence and vinegar. So I'm going to start with taking half cup milk and putting vinegar and leaving aside. So I take one, just a sec. Okay, 1 teaspoon vinegar I'm going to add in the milk and just leave it aside by the time we mix the other part. I'm just going to leave this aside for like 5 minutes or till we mix the other part. Then I'm going to take the dry ingredients, which is my atta, flour. Sorry. The maida. Okay, this I'm going to take this in another bowl. And the juice is, it's half cup juice again. Half cup juice.
We can take any juice. We can take fresh orange juice. We can take a tin juice. Any orange
You can
juice
even
is
take
fine.
an apple juice also if you think that the child doesn't like an orange taste. You can even take an apple juice.
But the only thing is that if you're keeping it in the fridge for 2-3 hours, like if you're keeping it soaked for some hours, keep it in the fridge. Don't keep it outside because otherwise a fresh juice or this juice outside it will the taste would change. So just refrigerate it.
I'm going to take brown sugar, 3/4 cup in another bowl. Add some oil, which is, you can use butter also, you can use oil also. I'm going to use oil right now. So that's half cup of oil. I'm putting it in the sugar and keeping so that the sugar also kind of mixes, dissolves in it. This is half cup. Sugar. The sugar is mixed and it's just kept there. I'm going to take the baking powder, which is 1/4 teaspoon. Sorry. baking powder. Baking powder always goes in the dry mix. So it's gone here. And now I will bring back the curdled milk with me. And I'm going to add the baking soda in there, which is half teaspoon. Yeah, half teaspoon baking soda. Can you just check the cupcakes also? Going to add the soda and give it a nice mix. See, if you can see, it's kind of raised also. So just leave it aside. You're going to mix the flour so that the baking powder gets inside the flour properly. And this is just going to mix everything. Okay. I need vanilla essence. There's half teaspoon vanilla essence. It's better to put all liquid together, so I'm going to put it in this so that it mixes well when the other things are mixed. Okay. So now I'm going to just mix the whole thing. I'm going to add this first. Simultaneously, I'm going to add this. And if you see the milk has risen, then I'm going to add this. It's become frothy.
Would any mother like to join at this point? See how it is? Yeah, please come.
Please come. Yeah, please. So there's one thing, after this gets mixed, kind of, we'll add this glazed cherries, tutti fruities, any soft fruit, even dry fruit you want to add some more, you can add it more. Because the ones which we have soaked would have become soft. So right now if you want to add almonds or something, you can again add. If you want to skip the part, you can skip it. Glazed cherries actually give a nice taste to the plum cake. So that, please don't skip that step. So I'm going to just add it. And tutti frutti is, kids all love tutti frutti. And it gives a nice red and green look to the plum cake, a Christmassy look. Yeah, it will be a little lumpy. Yeah, thick and lumpy also. Okay, now there's one more part. Normally the plum cakes are a little spicy. There's a cinnamon flavor to it. Again, your choice. You want to add the mix, you add. You think the kids might not like that taste, the typical plum cake taste, avoid it. So here we have mixed it. There's cinnamon, there's green cardamom, nutmeg and cloves. You take all four, you take any of the four, you take 3 out of 4, anything. Absolutely up to you. It just changes the taste a little. So I've mixed it. I'm going to take 1/8 cup. Spoon. Sorry. I'm sorry. 1/8 spoon. Sorry. That would have made the cake very spicy. Okay. So that's it. So by the time she's mixing, I'm just going to take you to how we will now bake it. So there are 2-3 ways to bake it. One is the tin, the cake tin. One, we have these kind of bake and serves again available. Like with the same cupcakes, they are a little different shape. So these are bake and serve. You put it in this, bake it in this, and you can directly serve it. See, for example, see, this is baked also in this only, and then once it cooled down, I've just packed it nicely, and you can, probably keep it in your party. If there are kids coming home, keep it. Your kid is going somewhere to someone's house, you can just take it. So these are bake and serves. They are available in a lot of sizes. This is the small size. There are bigger sizes like ½ kilo, 1 kilo. And you can also bake it in glassware. All the 3 are okay. So suppose we take a cake tin. So normally we start with the greasing. Sorry. Yeah, this is done, ma'am. Sorry. Just 2 minutes. Yeah. So you would like to do the greasing as well? We just take a little bit of oil. And this is the brush. All the sides. Make sure you add to the sides also so that the cake comes out easily. I will leave this, and you can take any flour I'm not able to find the wheat flour, so I'm taking the ragi flour which was left from the previous. You can take any flour like this, a spoon of it, just sprinkle it little here, and make sure the sides are greased nicely, so the cake comes off well. And you can just dust off the remaining one. Then these are the baking paper sheets which are available. Okay, I've just cut it in the same size so that this exactly goes inside. And now we can have ma'am paste the batter inside. Actually, don't just fill it half. Huh? Yeah, I think that's it. That's it. That's it. So I have some more batter remaining. I'll put it in this maybe. Can you help us put it in this? Yeah. And we have some. One second. I have brought some other dry fruits, so you can decorate it, ma'am, however you wish to. This also again same. You don't want to put almonds, or you don't want to put whatever you want to put, glazed cherries, almonds, anything. You can even put a little bit of spices on the top if you have that taste for your kids. So I'm going to add some more. And this decorated, not because this is not going to be iced, this cake is going to be eaten the way it is. So you can decorate it nicely on the top. So that gives the whole thing. So this is going to go in the oven when the cupcakes are ready.
They're ready there.
Yeah, this is how it is. We'll keep this aside for like 2 minutes. We'll see, check the oven for the cupcakes, and then this will go inside. And the baking time would, for this, actually it's wheat, so it takes a little longer, maybe 30 minutes. Normally a half kilo, this is a half kilo tin. That cake takes 25 minutes. Then this will take 30. In the same oven, if you are baking for 25 minutes in a normal cake, this will take 30 to 35 minutes because it's wheat. So that is one thing. Okay, I think the cupcakes. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
So we are just keeping this plum cake in the oven now for 180 degrees for at least 30 minutes.
See, one way to check if the cupcakes are ready, if you have a toothpick, you can insert a toothpick, or you can insert a knife. It should come out clean. The cakes are big. If it's little greasy or more, you can keep it for 2 more minutes. Just see your temperature and keep for 2 minutes. You can exceed it so that it comes out clean. The knives or the toothpick should come out clean. Okay, so these cupcakes are ready. I shall keep them here. Once they cool down a little, we'll show you that till that time the ganache also will be ready. We'll show you a little bit of icing so that you can have these kind of cupcakes at home. Okay. So now, by the time this cools down, we'll proceed with the next one. If you have your notes, it's the strawberry dessert. We're going to show you a strawberry dessert. We bought one lovely strawberry dessert made at home. So if you have a party at home, or you want to, a kitty party or a Christmas party for kids or something, you can always have this ready. What you need is a sponge cake. If you're able to make it at home with one of our recipes, the wheat cake, don't put cocoa powder in the same way. You can make a vanilla sponge, or you can get a vanilla sponge ready from the market. वो भी नहीं है तो you can get a vanilla का Britannia का that cake which comes the square. That is also okay. उसमें you can take the strawberry flavor, you can take the vanilla flavor. So it's very simple. Strawberry is readily available in the market. Yes, the whipped cream. Yes, we get the whipped cream in Jain Dairy or any of the cake shops. You'll have to get that and whip it. So that is a task. So if you whip it at home, if you have a whipper, so then you get a cream which is this consistency. See, this is how the cream should get whipped. It should not fall. Look, it should fall with difficulty. It's not just falling. That's how the consistency, and you can make any of the dessert. And the same cream can be actually used to even ice the cakes, this cake or any of the other cakes. So I'm just going to take you. Right now we are going to do this in a jar. I'm going to show you how this you can do in a jar also. So if you have something like this, a jar at home, you can make, these kind of bags are available in the market. So you make any of these 2 jars, fill them like this with the thing. You can handy gift for someone. If you're going to someone's house, for a party, you can just take it. So this is what we're going to show you. So this jar, it's any glass jar. If you have something at home, there's three sizes available in the market. You can pick any of. I've taken this one. This is a 300 ml jar, so almost 250, 260 grams of cake or dessert will be found in this. Yeah. So I'm just going to call. If anybody wants to help me with this, please. Hello, ma'am. See, we've kept. See, I have baked a strawberry sponge at home. What I've done is a vanilla sponge. While baking it, I added a little strawberry crush. So this is my strawberry sponge ready. If you don't have strawberry sponge, a vanilla sponge is also perfectly. So I'm just going to show you 1 minute. You just have to fill it. See, if you can see, this is very easy. Even your kids can do, you and your kids, chalo, let's do some DIY, let's make some dessert jar. They'll be very happy. Just make them the sponge cake or get them the sponge cake from outside and then tell them, chalo, let's make it. Yeah, that's one layer like this. Then we have prepared sugar, water and cum. So this is nothing, 1 cup of water, normal water with 1 spoon of sugar, normal sugar. Just wait for 5 minutes, the sugar dissolves. So the sugar water is ready. It's in this so that it's easily pourable. Just little bit. You can even take a spoon and just, this is so that the cake becomes a little moist. So when you eat it, it's nice and tasty. Okay. So yeah, no, yeah. Just you can press it a little. These are the piping bags, again available in the market. If you don't have this, the milk bags also will do. Any plastic bag, little thick can do. And then last we'll make a hole and we can do the icing. So this is it. This is the whipped cream which I've already whipped. You want me to fill it for you? If you don't have the whipping machine, you can do it with a hand whisker, but it takes a lot of time and a lot of effort. So if you can manage, beg, borrow, steal the mixture from somewhere, then you can do it. It'll be easy and faster. I'll help you. Yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, we can make a small hole. You can start from the sides so that it looks. See, as you see, it's like very easy, and your dessert is ready. Should I help you? Yeah, sorry. I'm just putting it on the side so that it gives a nice layered look. Pink, white, pink, white. Yeah, that's it. Then we have an option of this crush. Again, easily available in the market. If you want to put, it's okay. If you don't want to put, it's your choice. I'm going to put a little bit of it so that we get strawberry taste. Just a little bit, yeah. We can add strawberries. This is again up to you. You want to decorate it nicely, or you can just chop it and put them inside. Both the things look good. Sorry. See, these kind of things the kids enjoy. Okay, I'll decorate. One piece they'll take. In fact, after lockdown, I think kids need a lot of these kind of activities that interest them. And they know they're going to get to eat that later. So they're going to be happy about it. We can put a few pieces in the middle also. Then we're going to do the same thing, same step again. This can also be done in those small shot glasses which are there. you know, you have at home, or you can just buy the and then same arrangement can be done, one layer of each. So you can have an entire tray of the cups. When there is a party, just serve it. Everybody has one cup for their own. So that the same thing can be done in the short glasses, or you can do it like this in a big bowl, and then you serve it when your guests come. Sorry. Right now, lovely strawberries are available in the market, so you can always do this. And some decorations with the strawberries. We even get those sprinklers in the market. If you want to put some sprinklers, you can always add some sprinklers as well. That's so, ma'am, thank you so much. You helped us make such a lovely dessert. If you can see, it's so easy, not very time consuming, and you're using the best of the fruit available these days. Thank you, ma'am. So, this is our strawberry dessert. I think the cake is still getting baked, but the cupcakes are, I think, cooled. So, we can see. I'll take this. I think we'll give it 5 more minutes. We'll shift with the next recipe, then we will come back
They're
to
still
the
hot. We
yeah.
cannot do piping it.
If you put it on hot, the even if you try to make the icing, it'll all melt up because of the heat from below. So let's wait. Yeah.
So let's quickly go to the next recipe. This is something which are the chocolate dips. Now basically you know that kids love chocolate. So I think chocolate in any form is loved by them. So why not to add some healthy version to the chocolates? So maybe adding like you know dipping the chocolate with the fruits. So you could see I have made a platter over here. These are the fruits with the chocolates. Sorry. Okay. These are some more things which I have again dipped in the chocolate. So this is their normal Oreo biscuits which I have you know made a popsicles out of it. So something like this. This is their Pickwick biscuits, and these are some you know that normal waffle biscuits type of things. So these are the normal things which they eat, but we have decorated, we have made something interesting for them. So what happens if they are having some friends at their home, they are going somewhere and they take this kind of things with them, they really love to do that. And the best thing is that they like to do these decorations themselves. So what we are going to do, we are just going to melt the chocolate first to start with. So I have brought some chopped chocolate with me, which we are going to melt in the oven, the same method, 20 seconds, 20 more. If required, third time 20 seconds. So we'll just melt the chocolate. Now as you all very well know that the white chocolate comes in 3, that is dark, milk or white. So we can take any of them to decorate. You could see I have done strawberries with the white chocolate. I have done strawberries with the brown chocolate as well. So anything can be dipped. So let's have a plate, taking a plate. We need to have a butter paper. Right now butter paper is missing over here. So I have taken a simple white paper. So we can take a paper here. We just need to open the Oreo biscuits. These are that piquet type of biscuits. Okay. Ice cream stock. Fruits. Banana. Now who would like to come for this? Yeah, please come on. The chocolate is getting melted, so this is the first thing we'll do.
Hopefully.
Finally. Thank you. Oh, white. So it's nice, smooth. So what you need to do is we take one biscuit, just need to pour, dip in it and put it on the press. No, we can leave part of it, just hold करने जितना, so थोड़ा दिखे भी कि वो बिस्किट है. हाँ ऐसे. I take a help of this spoon. हाँ थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा चॉकलेट को ऐसे ड्रिप कर दीजिए, गिरा दीजिए. बस हाँ ऐसे ऐसे थोड़ा सा. Clip it. This side, see. Yes. Now there is some decoration things, so you can take anything, whatever you want. Your way of decorating is completely up to you, your choice. Whatever way you want to do.
In this part again, you can have the kids involved. Come decorate it.
So I think they're lovely ready. Okay, thank you, ma'am. Would anybody else like to join? Yes, ma'am, you wanted to come? Please come. We'll take the next, that is the Oreo biscuit. Now what I would do, please come, ma'am. What I'll do, softly I'll remove this. I'll just apart two of them. I'll take a ice cream stick. I'll pour it in the chocolate and try to stick it over here with the chocolate. And then you can press like this. Just press it for a minute and see it will get stick. Ma'am, would you like to try and do it? Yeah, please. थोड़ा सा से भी है। Hold it, no problem. That's okay. Now the first one is like almost stick, so we can try and dip this. So you just have to dip with the help of the spoon. Dip the entire one. पीछे की side भी, yeah. Whatever. Okay, the same way we'll just dip some fruits. Now what I have done, I have sliced the apple. You can do it the way you want, anything. You can give it in the round shape, slices of it, anything is fine. अब अपने हाथ वाइप कीजिए। Now let's take a banana. I've put a banana in the stick, so it becomes easier for you. Okay. Okay. Take a strawberry. ये गरम गया.
We can have someone else also.
Yeah. Okay.
There is any other parent who wants to come and try? Oh,
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am.
Nisha, we want.
Yeah.
I think we have all excited parents. They can all
You have not come yet? Okay, please come. First of all, you have some creativity in decorations. We have all these things. You can try and decorate. You want, you can put some eyes like this or something, huh, if you want. Eyes and something. Anything you want. Your choice. It will not stick. It will not stick. It's already frozen. What I have done, I have taken a white chocolate in a pipette bag. I have slightly cut it so a thin line is coming, and I'll just decorate it with that. Something like this. Okay. I have what we can do in one toothpick. We can keep lot of dry fruit, a lot of fruits, and we can decorate, or maybe dip the entire one if you want. So we can do something like this, coming on it, and the white one also coming on it. So both the colors come on it. Something like this. So how did you find that?
Strawberries. She wants to try.
You want to try? Want to drip a strawberry? So put something on your strawberry.
It's little.
Okay. So I think this desserts are done. The fruits are done. The Oreos and Pickwick's are done. Would you like to decorate the cupcakes, ma'am? These are the cupcakes which are 1 minute. We'll just put, so this is our chocolate truffle, which is still slightly loose, it has to be more thick. But right now it's still not at the right consistency, but we would try and do it. So what we need to do is, ma'am, just hold the piping bag, just pour it like this. That's it. Okay? So you can take it. Just hold, it should be close. No problem, no problem. I'll give you tissue paper. Tissue paper. No problem. Hold this also. Hold this also. Yeah. Anybody else want to join? Yeah, please come. Please come. You can take
Everybody can come and take
a white paper. You can try with the white one. Come this side. Yeah, please.
You want
Yeah.
some more cream? I'll give you some cream.
So there are some sprinklers. You can add some sprinklers to it. Decorate this one is left something for it. Okay, fine. Thank you. Right on time. The oven is also clicked. Huh? I'm done with it. Okay, so now what I'm going to show you. See, these all things which we have made. There are always two options. We can decorate for our party at home. Some kids coming to our home or some birthday party. Or the other thing can be we give as a giveaway, like a birthday party return gift or any Christmas party return gifts. So quickly with 2 minutes, not taking much time of your ma'am. As Anisha told you earlier, we can have something like this where jars can be put. So our jar dessert, where is our jar dessert? Okay. So this is the jar dessert. So we can put the jar desserts in something like this. Or the next option can be something like this, which you could. Oh, Christmas is falling. So something like this can be the place where it can come. If you don't want to put two jar desserts, you can put one jar dessert and one you can put this your, the plum cake you made or the cupcake, anything. So we just simply packed in a normal cellophane, a plastic cellophane, nothing else. A simple cellophane bags are available like this. So we're just going to put it inside and it is packed. Nothing more we have done. So you can pack something like this, something like this. Can I have a hamper basket? It's there. A dinner box. What I have done, I have taken a simple basket, nothing I have done into it. I have put some grass on it, I have put a flower to it, and I am just going to add, you can see this is there, I am just going to put it here. I am just going to put one cake on here, I am just going to put two cupcakes to it, and just with the help of this, and the goodies can come like this. Oreos can come, anything can come, and the basket is ready. There is,
If you don't have such decorative hamper baskets, you can even have some boxes like this. The same thing can go inside this. The same way. Or even if you don't have
nothing is available, a simple brown paper bag.
paper bag.
You can just take a simple brown paper bag, put the jars into it. वो स्टिकर है वहाँ पे. I'm just putting this bottle right now, and I have sticker, so we can just put a sticker on it. Merry Christmas.
You want even
And
tie
probably
a
a
red ribbon
ribbon on the top. And
here.
it's
If you're
done.
calling kids for a Christmas party, you can give something like this as a giveaway.
So, stay. So I think we are done with our workshop. So thank you everybody for coming and giving so much time with us, and hopefully we have added something for your healthy versions. So thanks. Yes, ma'am, over to you.
Yum and wow, that is the only thing what I can say right now. Thank you so much, Anisha ma'am. Thank you so much, Nivisha ma'am, to be here.
Sure.
And like what I can say, such lovely bakery and healthy items which you have prepared. And the best, what I feel is that kids can be involved with you in all these items. There's nothing to be afraid kids cannot do. And every each item, like the Oreo biscuits, what happens that we buy, children open the wrapper and we start eating, or the children start eating. But this was a very beautiful way of topping it. And thank you so much, ma'am, once again. And thank you to all of you mothers who are present here and watching us live. Merry Christmas to all of you, and all of you have a wonderful year ahead. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.